OpenAI released their open models, so now you can actually download them locally and use them for free. They have the GPT-OSS 120B and GPT-OSS 20B, which we're going to download and install together today. If you don't want to install it at all, you can actually go to GPT-OSS.com and then log in with your Hugging Face account. If you haven't already, watch my Hugging Face video. But you can actually already test around their 120B and 20B model. You can select whether you want to show the reasoning or not and select a reasoning level. I've kind of toyed around with it, asked a few questions. Seems decent, it's generating code for me. It's giving me the response that I want. If you click on this download button over here, you will see that there's 3 methods to run it locally. There's the Hugging Face method, the Ollama method, and the LM Studio method. We're gonna try out the Ollama method and the LM Studio method. Going with the Ollama method, all you have to do is just download it and then open it up. When you open Ollama up, you'll see this interface, and you can see that you have access to the 120B and 20B over here, but it's not downloaded yet. You have to select and then just ask any questions you want and input it. I'm asking about earthquake predictions because recently there's been some talks about it, and you can see over here it's now downloading the model, which is 12.8 gigabytes. After Ollama finished downloading, it will show you the response. You can search the web if you want, but you will need to create an Ollama account. There's also some settings over here. Do you want to expose the network? Where is the model? The context length, and whether you want it to be airplane mode. And so this is how you can use Ollama. So now we can check out the other method, which is LM Studio. In a previous video that I have, I already went through some interfaces that you can use for local models. LM Studio is one of them, and this is really good because over here you can see it's already telling you that you can download the GPT-OSS, which you could just click a button. Alternatively, you can also click on this setting button and click on model search, and you'll see a ton of models that you can download even besides GPT-OSS, and you can download the 20B or the 120B. At the moment, I'm downloading the 120B, which is 63.39 gigabyte. Once it's done downloading, it's the same deal where you can go to chat and select a model that you want to use. I have DeepSeek right now, so imagine this is the new OpenAI model, but for now I'm just showing you with DeepSeek, which I already have. You can do a lot of tweaks actually. You can do context, model, or program. Over here you can set some system prompt. There's model temperature. This interface gives you more control than you otherwise would accessing the local model through, say, terminal or whatnot. You can connect specific plugins and MCP servers, so this makes it a lot more powerful. So LM Studio is the other option that you have. Once you loaded the model, you can see that it's thinking this is a DeepSeek model, but it's the same thing with OpenAI. It's just that this model is taking me some time to download. So yeah, that's it. You could also use Hugging Face if you want, but these 2 methods is how I prefer to access it. So that's it for today. I know that OpenAI also have GPT-5 that was released, but unfortunately I'm not special enough and I don't have early access, but I'm excited to try it out. It's supposed to be a really good model, so look forward to that. But until then, see you next time. Thanks. Bye.